Welcome to our in-depth review of the SSC Tuatara, one of the fastest and most advanced hypercars in the world. Built by SSC North America, the Tuatara is an engineering marvel designed to push the limits of speed, aerodynamics, and performance. Today, we'll take a detailed look at its exterior, interior, performance capabilities, and pricing to see what makes this machine so special. The SSC Tuatara boasts an aggressive yet highly aerodynamic design, with a body crafted from carbon fiber to keep it lightweight and improve speed. Every curve and vent is designed for optimal airflow, reducing drag while maximizing downforce. The sharp, low-profile front end features sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic appearance, while the large rear wing and aggressive rear diffuser contribute to its incredible stability at high speeds. The butterfly doors add to its exotic appeal, making an entrance as dramatic as the car itself. Stepping inside the Tuatara, the interior is a blend of luxury and race-soaked minimalism. The cabin is primarily made from carbon fiber, keeping weight to a minimum while maintaining structural rigidity. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster with a unique, customizable interface. A flat-bemmed carbon fiber steering wheel provides a race-inspired grip, and paddle shifters allow for quick gear changes. The premium leather and Alcantara-wrapped seats offer both comfort and support, making it suitable for high-speed runs while still being drivable on the road. Despite its performance-oriented design, the Tuatara still includes modern tech, such as a premium sound system, climate control, and a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Tuatara apart: its performance. Powering this beast is a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, developed in collaboration with Nelson Racing Engines. It produces an astonishing 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 fuel and 1,350 horsepower on 91-octane pump gas. Mated to a 7-speed automated manual transmission, it delivers lightning-fast gear shifts for maximum acceleration. The Tuatara is designed to break records, and it has already achieved a top speed of 295 miles in real-world testing, with SSC claiming it can go even faster under the right conditions. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis and active aerodynamics ensure exceptional handling and stability at high speeds. The advanced suspension system allows for a comfortable ride on regular roads, while maintaining sharp cornering capabilities on the track. With massive carbon ceramic brakes, the Tuatara provides incredible stopping power, ensuring maximum safety even at extreme speeds. When it comes to pricing, the SSC Tuatara is a true hypercar, and its price tag reflects that. The base price starts at around $1,900,000, but with various customization options and limited edition models, the price can go well beyond $2 million. This exclusive hypercar is limited in production, making it a rare masterpiece that only a handful of people will ever own. The SSC Tuatara is more than just a car. It's a statement of engineering excellence, a record-breaking machine designed for those who demand the absolute best in performance and design. With its striking looks, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched speed, it stands as one of the most impressive hypercars ever built. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Tuatara. Would you take this over a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.